Hey, what's up? Today I want to show you a classic meatball or keftedaki recipe, or a Greek style keftedaki or meatball. But here's the twist. I'm not going to make it with beef, pork, or lamb. I'm going to lean down or lean up the version and make it with minced turkey. That's right, lean ground turkey as opposed to beef. A little healthier option because that's how I maintain all this. Now, here's the thing. First things first, I'm doing up my frying oil. I'm using mostly vegetable oil. Now, here's the thing. For the sake of flavor, 90%, 80-90% of my frying oil is veg. I'm just going to take maybe a cup or so of my Greek extra virgin olive oil and throw it in there. Here's the thing. It's going to amp up the flavor, but because it doesn't have as high of a smoking point as veg oil does, I'm still going to maintain that temperature that I need, which is about a medium-high heat. So, first things first, let's take care of our smoked. I said smoked. Smoked turkey is one of my favorite sandwiches, but here's the thing. I'm going to take my minced turkey, just like that. I'm just going to put it there. Now, I'm going to need the use of my mini-me food processor to herb it up. So, what am I going to do? I'm going to quarter up an onion, nice and easy. Just throw it in there. It's not complicated. This is a very traditional Greek meatball recipe, but using ground turkey. I'm going to take a little bit of salt. It's going to go in there. I'm going to take a couple of my mint bombs, because you can't have a Greek meatball without mint. I'm going to take one clove. That's going to go in there. I'm going to take some parsley as well. That's going to go in there. And you can do the stalks and all. It doesn't matter. It's totally fine. Now, I'm going to do a little bit of olive oil in here just to kind of get it going and lube it up. And I'm also going to use, I lost my oregano. I'm also going to do oregano. And in here, I'm going to do fairly generous, about a tablespoon or so of my dried Greek oregano. This is fantastic. This just adds that pop in all your recipes. Fantastic. Just like that. A little bit of pepper. A little bit. And that should be ready to go. So let's see here. Oh, this is heating up nicely. Let me take this now. This is going to be like Greek toothpaste when it's done. Perfect. Just like that. That's awesome. Let me get some of this goodness here. Don't want to lose any of this because it's actually fantastic. Take this. Now, just take it and just dump it in there. Just like that. I'm going to take half a cup of breadcrumbs. Are going to go in there. And I'm going to get one egg that actually I forgot to put out. All right. Crack one egg in there just to kind of bind everything up. And that's pretty much it. Now, all you're going to do is mix this up with your hands. Get it all in there, incorporate it. These meatballs are absolutely fantastic. They are super easy. And you know what? Other than being like amazingly delicious, they're good for you. They're a very healthy option. All right, I just had a good cry here. This onion is absolutely insane. We're going to form them into little balls. And not only that, I'm going to dredge them in a little flour before I actually stick them in my frying pan. So this is pretty much ready to go, good to go there. So for the sake of using even measurements, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take these, roll them into my little balls like this. So they're about the size of a ping pong ball, or give or take, or a golf ball. And you're just going to take them just like that and mix them. I also will tell you a little trick to this as well. If you find your hands are getting sticky, a little bit of water, just like that. Boom. So take our meatball, and now nothing, absolutely nothing, will stick to your hands. So just like that, give them a little mix here, and drop them in. Now, as your meatballs start getting done, what you're going to need to do is take a plate and line it with some paper towel, dry paper towel, just set it on top, just like that. And as they become ready, make sure, A, you don't overdo them, and B, the towel will absorb the excess oil. And nobody likes like oily, heavy meatballs. They're like a brick in your stomach, so that's not a good option. So I'm just going to keep adding these in here slowly. Nothing to this. It's not rocket science. The flour will give it a crunchiness or a certain nice texture to this. Oh, be careful when you put these in there, because once they're in there, you got to actually start rolling them around, because they'll catch on you pretty quick if you don't. All right, and those are the last of my balls, my meatballs coming off. They're fantastic. They're done perfectly. I love it. They smell so good. And there's really nothing to these. Let me see if there's one that's, look at this. Oh, gosh. How beautiful those are. Wow. My God. Oh, my God. They are so absolutely delicious. I absolutely love these. I can't tell you, all those flavors, those Greek flavors coming through, the mint, the parsley, the onion, the garlic. It's just an intense, beautiful flavor and a healthier option. So that's it for this episode on my Greek style or Greek meatballs made from ground turkey. It's not that complicated at all. It's healthy and it's super, super delicious. So, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe. And check me out online as well at kensgreektable.com, where you're going to find the recipe for this and so, so much more. So, my friends, until next time, I will see you on the next one. Bye for now.